What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the TheGrefg skin from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we're going to start on the left side, starting from the top of our circle. So we bring this down towards the bottom and pull that back up towards the top. Now leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line this up, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up here, we're just going to curve around and in, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right. And then we'll draw that same size circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. Let's start underneath the highlight, come down, and back out. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. We're going to start on the left side, curve in, on top of the eye, and then bend that down. So line this up on the right, going up, and then out. Let's go back to the inside and curl the brow, coming in, and then up. Let's go back to the outside and draw a straight angle line, coming up and in. And then we'll follow that same curve, coming in and then down. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. And now we're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start on the left side, curve the nose, coming down and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and down the bridge of the nose. And I'll move down and shift the mouth over towards the left. We're going to start out here, curve the mouth coming down, kind of cross towards the right. Let's add a bracket to the corners of the mouth. And then from the center of the mouth, we'll step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside edge of the left eye, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down, underneath the mouth in the middle, and then work our way back up and out towards the right side. Let's round out the side of the head. We're going to go back to the left. We're just going to bump the head going out, and then up. And do the same thing on the right. Now the hairline is going to curve in and then down towards the middle. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go up, and then bend that down in the middle, go up and out towards the right. And now we're going to draw the edge of the hairline along the side. Starting from the side of the head, go up, and then bend that in around the eyebrow. And then from here, it's going to go straight up, and then bend that in underneath the hair. Let's go out to the side and add in the ears. From the side of the head, we're going to step up, curve the ear, going up, down, and then in. Line this up on the right. And then we'll add the folds inside the ear. Starting from the side of the head, curve up and out. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Let's add those markings on the right side of the forehead. We'll start at the top, come down, and bend that in. I'm just going to round this out and go back up to the top. Let's add one more. Stepping down, come down and in, rounding out the bottom, and going back up. Let's go back up and draw on the hair. We're going to start with that centerpiece, starting right in the middle. Curve out, up, and over towards the right. And work our way back down. Come down and out, round up the side, and pull that back in towards the middle. And now we're going to layer the hair working our way out towards the side. We'll start on the left side, curve the hair going out, and then down. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's add the second layer. We're going to step down, go out, down, and just pull that in. And then on the right side, we're just going to go all the way around and then pull that in towards the edge of the hairline. Let's add another layer. Stepping down, we go out, down, just aiming toward the top corner of the head. Now add a point of hair along the side. From the bottom, step up, go out and up. Round at the bottom and then pull that in toward the top corner of the head. Now let's go in and add some detail to the hair. From this bottom point on left, just gonna curve this out and then up. Then from the bottom right, go out and then back up. Let's add some texture along the bottom edge of the hair. Starting over on the left, go out and up. Same thing on the right. Move over on the left, do that one more time. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, come down towards the same height. Now we pull the bottom of the belt coming in towards the middle, leaving a gap. Start with the left side coming in, same thing on the right. Go straight up along the inside of the belt. We're going to follow that same curve going out towards the side of the body. And now we're going to layer the buckle in behind the belt. Starting in between, start with a straight line. In the middle, step up and go up and out towards the left and right. Flatten off the top and then come down and out. Let's take that and flip it over along the bottom. Coming down and out toward the side. Flatten off the bottom and go up and out. Now we're going to draw a large oval in the center of the body with a gap on the right side. Let's start out here, go all the way up toward the top, round this out, and go back up. Let's go up to the top, draw a straight line going in, curve up and over towards the left. And then from the inside edge, we're just going to go around the left side and just pull that out towards the end. And then from here, we come straight in towards the middle of the oval. Go out with a short angled line. Curve down and in towards the middle. Now we're going to continue working down with the legs. From the buckle, we're going to step down and add a curve. From left to right, going up, and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side. Curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right. Go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe. And go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. And go up, coming down, aiming towards the heel, and go up and in. And we'll go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Let's start on the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's add some detail to the legs. We're going to start by adding a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. I'm going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. And then from the outside, we'll step up and go down and in with a short line. Curve up and in toward the top of the foot. Let's trace this along the inside. Stepping up, coming down, and then out. Let's go to the top of the foot, step up and add a trim. Coming down and then up. Line this up on the right. And then we'll separate out the knee. From the outside, step in, draw a short line coming in, and go down and in. Let's add that trim along the outside of the leg. Starting from the left side of the belt, angle down and out. Pull that down and in toward the inside of the leg. And I'll trace these lines along the outside, stepping out, come down and out towards the outside of the leg, step down and in. And then from the center of the body, draw a straight line going across, and go down and out in behind that trim. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right side. And then we'll add in the thumb. From the wrist, add a small half circle. Connect the bottom of the thumb to the wrist with a curve, going up and then in. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down, and then up around the thumb, step down, curve down, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, then the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's separate the top of each finger, starting on the left, curve up and then down, separate the second, and then the first finger. Let's go to the top of the thumb, draw a straight line going out, and go up and out towards the side of the arm. And then halfway along the inside of the arm, curve up and then out. Let's add a detail on the back of the forearm. Starting from this top point, draw a straight line coming down, and go up and in. And I'll trace this out along the outside, stepping out, come down, and then in. And now we're going to add those gold stripes inside the body. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down, and go down and out toward the side. Now from here it's going to curve up and then down toward the side of the arm. Let's trace this out along the inside, going out, we'll add another trim on the side of the body, starting on the left, coming up and in, and go down, curve out, and then down behind the belt. And then again, we'll just trace that out along the inside. And that's pretty much it. There's the TheGrefg skin from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.